So what is ARV? An after repair value. What sort of renovations are you going to do? How much is it going to cost to do this renovation? How much profit are we going to make for us, our partners, or anybody else involved? So you have to be very aware of this. You have to protect your investment. So what is ARV? An after repair value. So why is this important when you're flipping houses? Well, this is starting at the end. You shouldn't even consider doing a flip until you know what is its value when you're finished, because then you can reverse engineer it. So let's say you're buying a property and you find out what's it worth afterwards. And you can do this with realtors. They can do an opinion of value or show you comparables. If you're buying it from a realtor, you can ask them, what would this be worth after I've done all these renovations? And they'll look at comparables with the similar houses in the similar neighborhood or that neighborhood, same square footage or thereabouts, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, if it's got a garage or not. And then they can work out what they expect to get for sale price. And they'll ask you, what sort of renovations are you going to do? Because it's all about the finishing. Now, if you tell them that you're going to be putting, marble countertops and you're putting a high-end kitchen in, you're going to do the high-end wood flooring, repaint, do all the fancy stuff, add in a bedroom, add in a bathroom, all this that you can add value to a place, curb appeal, going to do all the landscaping, then you'll have an after repair value, and then you work your numbers backwards. So you then find out how much is it going to cost to do this renovation, how much profit are we going to make for us, our partners, or anybody else involved, and then you have a maximum price, like your maximum allowable price that you're going to offer for this property. But where you can fall down is if you do not do the renovations like you said you're going to do to the realtor, then you can't expect at the end of the project to get the same value as what you set off. Because if you're not going to put in the fancy countertops and the fancy coving and the fancy hardwood flooring, you're just going to put the cheapest flooring in, this reflects the price. So you have to be very aware of this. I mean, it is an estimated price, so they don't always sell for that price. I know we've all seen on TV where it goes for 50,000 more than what they anticipated. Don't count and you're going to get that for yours. Count as though you're going to get the minimum. Anything above that is just extra profit. But you have to protect your investment. So that's why an after repair value, or ARV, is very good for you, and that is what it's all about.